Glacier. This word describes a massive body of ice that moves slowly across land. Glaciers can be hundreds or thousands of meters deep. They form in places where snowfall does not completely melt each year. Over time, the weight of the snow piling up compresses the snow below, turning to ice. At the very bottom, the ice becomes viscous, meaning it's able to flow and move. Glaciers that form on mountains creep downhill. Big ice sheets on land, like the one covering most of Antarctica, move too. These ooze or slide outward from their centers. Most glaciers move at a crawl, advancing just a few centimeters, an inch or so, each day. But some move up to 50 meters, 164 feet, in a day. That's half the length of a professional football field. Such huge masses of ice grinding across the land leave their mark. They can carry or push soil, rocks, and big boulders. They can erode the land and gouge deep valleys. Dents and divots left by glaciers have been filled with water to form lakes, such as the Great Lakes that border the United States and Canada. Scientists estimate that glaciers cover about 10% of the Earth's surface. Some glaciers' ice is just 100 years old. The oldest glacier in the world, though in Antarctica, may be 1,000,000 years old. Glaciers contain much of the planet's fresh water, but climate change is causing them to melt. Some are losing ice quickly, such as the ice sheet that covers Greenland. From 2006 to 2015, that ice sheet shed 278 billion tons of ice each year, on average. That water contributes to rising sea levels. If the glaciers disappear, people who depend on annual meltwater may be left high and dry. In a sentence, a satellite launched in 2018 is keeping an eye on thinning glaciers from the sky. Check out the full list of stories scientists say. All right, guys, we're going to be doing the questions. The directions are read/listen to the article and answer the questions. Number 1, describe a glacier. How big can a glacier be? Number 2, where do glaciers form? Number 3, what percentage of the Earth is covered by glaciers? Number 4 is a 3-part question. Write 3 complete sentences using the power words from the bottom of the article.